First thing we do is identify the blocks that we need and make a copy of our master block. So we need a front and a back dress block, we need our sleeve block, and we need our collar block. Working at the centre front, it is an open seam and it overlaps. So we extend our centre front out. If we fold those flat, we can actually see that it gets wider as it goes towards the neckline. And there's our centre front there. We pop our hemline in where we would like it to finish. And we check around the neck to check what the shape is. This will be the same as our current block pattern. The bust dart has been sewn in. The vertical dart has not been sewn in, so we simply leave it open and we ignore it. The final thing is how it's been finished, and it has a facing inside, and you can see the outline here. So we simply trace that onto our block and create a separate pattern piece for the facing. On the back block, we notice that there is no centre back seam, so we simply cut that on the fold. We mark in our hemline. The length for the hem is the same measurement as the front side seam, except we have taken away the bust dart measurement, so it's shorter. And when this bust dart is sewn closed, these side seams will match. We check our neckline around here to see if it's changed, and it will be the same as our block. There are no vertical darts sewn in, so we just simply leave that open and ignore it. On the sleeve, we shorten our sleeve to a 3/4 sleeve. And we also create a second seam line so that we have a cuff. And we create 2 pattern pieces for the sleeve. The collar, I'm going to extend it a little deeper on my block pattern. And the shape of it is rounded instead of pointed. So I'll just change the shape there. Create all your pattern pieces now, add seam allowance, label them, and you're ready to go.